This is episode 3 of our Real Remote Jobs series. Struggling to find remote customer support jobs without a degree or experience? You're not alone. Most listings ask for qualifications you don't have, but today, IBM is offering something rare. An entry-level remote support role with no degree and no experience required. Stay with me till the end, and I'll show you exactly how to land this opportunity even if you've never worked in customer service before. Welcome to Remote Hustle Europe. If you're looking for more remote jobs like this every week, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. Let's break down the role. IBM is hiring for remote technical support representative positions. Don't let the name intimidate you. This is essentially a customer support job. You'll work from home, helping users with everyday issues related to IBM's products or services. Here's what you'll be doing. You'll respond to support requests via chat, email, or ticketing systems. Your job is to guide customers through simple problems using scripts and resources IBM provides. You'll follow step-by-step instructions, ask clarifying questions, offer helpful responses, and escalate more complex issues to senior team members. You might also update account information, record customer interactions, or submit service reports all using tools that IBM trains you to use. Now, let's talk about what you need to qualify. You don't need a college degree. You don't need past experience in support roles. What you do need is clear written communication, since most interactions are through text. Basic computer knowledge, like typing, navigating websites, and using email. Attention to detail, to follow steps carefully. Patience and professionalism, especially when customers are frustrated. And a stable internet connection with a quiet place to work. IBM also provides full training. So as long as you're willing to learn and can follow instructions, you're ready to apply. If you've ever helped someone reset their password, explained how to use an app, or responded professionally in messages, you already have relevant skills. Let's talk pay and benefits. You'll earn between $18 and $24 per hour, depending on your location. The position is full-time and fully remote. You'll also get paid training, work from home flexibility, access to career growth opportunities, and a chance to join one of the world's most trusted companies. Now, here's how to apply. Go to ibm.com/careers/search. In the search bar, type Remote Technical Support Representative. Then filter by Remote and Entry Level. Click the job title to open the listing, review the details, and then hit FCC, Apply Now. You'll need to upload your resume and answer a few screening questions. Make sure your resume highlights skills like communication, teamwork, problem solving, and reliability. Even experience from school projects, side gigs, or volunteering counts. Don't sell yourself short. Don't miss this opportunity to start a remote career without needing a degree. Subscribe to Remote Hustle Europe for weekly episodes featuring real, beginner-friendly remote jobs. IBM could be your first big break. Apply today and keep hustling remote.